The problem was that most of our vendors, they could not produce anymore. They were lacking. The supply chain was all broken, and we were not getting material on time. So our assembly line was suffering. Matter of fact, they were not working neither. So everybody was stopped. And when they restarted, we had big problem with extrusions. We couldn't get the extrusion on time. It went from 6 weeks lead time to 16 weeks lead time. So big problem. And one thing that we started looking, one of our colleagues was on LinkedIn on Sunday morning, and he says, well, you know what? I think I found the solution to get all these things to help us. So the solution was to use cmExe, April 9, 2020. That's when we discovered cmExe. From there, it was a game changer. We were able to scan the parts to improve our productivity, and then to get live data out of the production. So we were able to know exactly when they were scanning the units, when producing the units, also when they were able to put them in the crate. And we had the visual map there that was telling us where things were going. So that was a huge help for us. And we were so excited that we even gave the access to our client team. So not sure it was a good idea, but they were super excited too. And today they're still looking at it, and it kind of changed the game a little bit, because instead of beating us up all the time, they were seeing the live unit being built, and then every time we had a problem, they were working with us to try to solve the problem.